ang school. Kasama na. So, kaya ang school. So, ito nga dito na basa yun. Let's go.
And once again, good morning to everyone. This is our first day, second day. Okay, we are ready for the first quarter. First possession goes to the white team. And everybody. Garcia for the rebound. Good line. Pass to Garcia. Launches for three short. Garcia again attacking the basket. No good. Number 13. Yosef Santana, 2 points. Number 9. Pinutas kagad ni number 9. For 3. Big answer from the down of the number 1. Number 3 still. Number 30, that is your first personal foul. First try is good. He shall score all 3. Number 10 sa electric niya. Short. Out of bounds. Number 1 player. De La Peña. Buendia loses the ball. Good night. Good night with the drives. Using the pass. Tapos yung one. Masyadong energetic ang ating mga kids ngayon.
Buti pumasok.
Papasok na. Wala.
Wala yan ang camera natin. De La Peña has the ball.
14 seconds to shoot. 10.
Ay!
There is a whistle. Who's foul? Number 23, holding foul. That will be your first personal foul. First team foul.
14 seconds to shoot. 10.
There is a foul. Number 1, blocking foul. Whenever this is your first personal foul, second team foul for the Artilleta foul. Whenever this is held. 2 points. Whenever. drives.
16 for all foul.
Running.
Red line, black line, red line, red line.
Ay!
Who's ball there? Number 22.
Anak si. Pressure lang, pressure.
Number 22. First person around sitting foul.
Okay, pressure mo. Okay, pressure mo. Nice.
Ay!
Number 22 is on the floor. I hope you're okay, bro. At 23. What is the call there? Who's foul? 22, the their second personal foul. 30 foul.
Pressure lang, pressure.
Substitution. Substitution pasok. Number 16, Manel. Two points, number 9.
Di pa lang. Yan, pressure.
Buendia.
14 seconds to shoot.
Wala, force. Tulong, Justin, tulong.
Out of bounds.
Substitution red. Fourteen seconds to shoot.
Way up there.
One more.
Venga.
We have a foul. Who's fouling? Number 9 ang natawagan ko. Good night, that is your first personal foul and technical penalty. We have a foul. Number 4, penalty. Penalty. Baseline basket. Basket shot po tayo, basket shot. Substitution. Franco. Taking the ball to Garcia. Garcia drives. But miss. Torres. Looking at number 16 to the Euro. Number 9, good time in the floater. Substitution. Number 6 goes in. Number 8, Moya, goes out. And time remaining on the clock, 2 minutes and 9 seconds left in the first quarter. Offensive foul. Number 8, knocking foul.
Oh, double, double! Salubungin mo, Justin!
Salo
Salubungin
ko
mo!
tulong!
Jambon, bola ng RPM Qatar. RPM Qatar. RPM Qatar po tayo.
Dikit, dikit, look, dikit, look! Go, go, go!
Go!
1 minute.
Israel by number 9.
Seconds to play.
Tulong!
Palasin mo!
14 seconds to shoot.
Winnipeg with a jumper. Sure. And the
Substitution.
ball goes back to NLA department.
Wait. High shoot.
Defense!
31 seconds. Game clock. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul ang tinawag kay number 9. Number 9, that is your second personal foul.
Uli! Wala na, walang sundot na, walang sundot!
Double shot clock. 5.
Wala na, Justin, wala na!
With the jumper is jump ball.
RTF ball.
Double na, double na! Good.
Good line. Shot clock violation. Number 10 holding foul. That is your first delay.
Moving screen rep. Sige, double mo na.
Double, double.
Sige.
15 to shoot.
Yes! Go!
Good line.
Good job, Just! Dalawang Justin.
Nice, Justin. Isa pa. Okay, isa pa.
Go! Yes!
Dalawa kayo. Nice.
Yes! Get the ball! Go, 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 go!
Harapan mo lang. Huwag ka lang sumabay. Tatlo ka na.
Number 9. Number 9. Tatlo ka na. That is the
Tatlo ka na.
third personal foul. Second big foul.
Wala na. Sa laterals ka na lang.
Basket substitution. Substitution. Number 23 holding foul.
Bakit?
Third foul. Number 23, that is your second personal foul. 14 to shoot.
Taas ka na.
Buena pelota usted. Yes, sir. Number 31, blocking foul.
Tres, tres, tres! Ay!
Buwa, buwa, buwa. Huli.
Number 10, coming for the rebound.
14
Number 3, short.
One more.
Justin.
Jump ball.
same ball.
Isa pa. Isa pa.
Tres.
Pasok na.
8 to shoot.
Pasok mo, pasok.
Basket for number 23.
Huli mo. Huli, Justin.
14 shoot.
Buena para 2 points. Grabe bagong play namin, scoring machine. We have a foul. Number 1, substitution. Pasok.
Justin, dalawa nga.
Number 1, second personal foul. First team foul.
Dalawa na lang. Si Juan?
First try is good. For Garcia. 2 out of 2.
Para sila ni Justin? Para sila. Ha?
Rep, ba't nagagalit si Rep?
Number 10. That is
Tawag lang ng foul.
substitution. Number 10, that is your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Buendia.
Again, kuha. Cover! Pwede nila yun.
Basket is good for number 30. Subdivision.
Walang sundot ha, walang sundot. Wala na sundot. Sige lang, unahan mo lang, unahan mo.
Walang sundot!
Diyan ka lang sa likod. Yan. Likod ka lang.
Yes! Go!
Basket.
Justin.
Neta.
Ja!
Likod ka lang, likod lang. Ulit.
Go! Go! Brother!
Isa pa.
Ay! Ay! Get the ball! Yes! Woo!
Justin.
Justin!
Justin.
Stop.
Hey,
Justin!
sabitin mo.
Pasabitin mo na.
Masabitan mo. Sige.
Number 10, dalawa po.
Kaya mo sumundot.
One more. Oh, oops.
Yan, sige.
Good line. Buena plata.
Wow! Wow! Yeah! Ay! Oh!
Sabitin mo lang. Ayun.
Justin, pasabitin mo.
Sige. Sasabit yan.
Up by 4.
Pasok.
Ay!
Sige.
Ay! Ah!
Two free throw for number 4, Mr. Cruz. First throw.
Ay! Justin!
Wala, wala. Ayan, di pa lang, di pa lang. Sige, di pa lang.
Yes! Woo!
Hey. Justin, kuha na mo ng bola. Tapos
Go!
go, 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 go.
Go, go! Ay! Ay! Ay!
Ganun, go, diretso lang.
Diretso, Justin!
Holding. Score 21-27. Two points by Bernard.
Go! Ow! Yes! Wow! Nagalaw yung kwan.
Two points by number 25-27.
Justin. Wala nang hawak, wala nang hawak. Di pa lang, di pa lang. Sa likod ka, sa likod, sa likod.
Sa likod, likod!
Sa likod ka lang.
Yes! Woo! Diretso!
50 seconds.
Yan, sige. Diretso.
Rebound by Rage.
Yes! Go! Get the ball!
Travel, oh.
Travel! Wow! Wow! Woo!
34 seconds to shoot. Game clock.
One more.
He's still going very well, but there is a foul number 4 penalty. Our score is 27-25 in favor of RT and Qatar.
Secure the ball.
First throw
Marco,
number
secure the ball.
23 seconds game clock.
Box tayo. Box, box. Tira. Kuha.
Go! Kuha!
10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds.
Go! Go! 10 seconds! 10 seconds! 10 seconds!
5.
Okay, we are ready for the third quarter. Alam mo nag-init ang laban. This game is the future of the basketball. The Filipino basketball.
Ay! Ay, nako!
Number 23, that will be your third personal foul.
Stop.
Personal foul. Bonus shot for Winnipeg. Basket.
Score 22-25.
Ay, nako!
Winnipeg. Miss.
Buti na lang. Ganda! Ay!
Number 31.
Ay!
Gets a foul. Number 50. Second team foul for the team NLA Dubai. And 2 free throws will be awarded to basket. Karamihan talaga sa buhay na magagaling. Basket stop tayo. In and out.
Ay, naku!
Official score 33-25.
One lang yan kasi pag
Up by 8.
kulang pa sa energy mga bata. Talaga.
RPF Kapa.
14 seconds to shoot.
We got 9 minutes, 9 seconds left.
13 seconds to shoot.
After the score, number 9. Ito naman nakaway. Good night, harassing by Fuwa.
Go! Yes! Yes! Woo! Nako! Go!
Jump ball.
NLA DXB. Substitution.
Substitution.
NLA DXB. Ring nila rin.
Habol kayo! Ay!
Out of bounds. Sakto ang kanyang dito ng mga naka-loser.
Puti. Lampas.
Ay!
Strike!
Ah!
Mga moves ng mga babata.
Go! Ay! Oh, yes!
Mandibo, that is your first personal foul. First foul.
17 seconds to shoot.
Shoot!
Likod! Ito!
Wow!
Pressure!
Agoy! Sige! Ay!
Foul number 16. That was your second personal foul.
Woo! Sino yun?
Number 11.
Number 11.
Ako, layo.
Number 11, that is your first personal foul.
Sabi, isa na.
Third foul.
Substitution next up. 43-30 our score.
Oh!
RTF Dr. Ball.
Ay!
Substitution.
Number 54.
Third foul.
That is your first personal foul.
Ay!
Out of bounds.
6 minutes.
Take pass. Punta dyan, sabit dyan. Yan na.
Yes!
Number 23 points.
Walang sundot. Uli!
Huli!
Number 16, 2 points.
Lumalayo. Foul.
Substitution night. 18-17.
Ay! Go! Yes! Ah! Oy! Oy!
Kamay, rep! Rep, kamay! Rep, kamay!
18 seconds.
Oh, take your chance!
Ay! Ay! Yes! Score! Score!
Time remaining on the clock. 4 minutes and 46 seconds left. Wrapping. Boyan goes in. Manejo out.
Wala na sundot!
Wow!
Out of bounds. Substitution. Good night.
Sige na, diretso! Wala sundot!
Walang sundot!
Defensa lang! Yan, alis defense lang! Nice, Nancy!
Wala.
Short. Good night. Flip to the roof.
Justin, wala na sundot!
Abila with the Euro.
Sige lang!
Sige!
Tuloy lang!
Tuloy! Go! Go! Habol, habol! Habol! Ay! Buti na lang.
Out of bounds.
Wait, wait. Wala
Ako naman. Huwag ka na sumundot.
The ball goes back with the blue shirt. Liwan goes in number 8 out.
Habol guys, habol!
Pababayin nyo lang, pababayin. Pababayin lang yung lamang. Wala na, ayaw mo na. Nakuha na eh. Sige lang, sabay lang, sabay.
Number 19, no good. Time out.
18 seconds, shot clock.
Last touch by number 11, same ball.
18 seconds, shot clock.
We have a call from the number 23. That will be your fourth personal foul, number 23.
Substitution.
Ano yung graduate na?
Hindi pa, isa pa.
Ibig na makuha yung bola dito
Two shots for Mr. Voltaire. First to not good.
Nak, trabaho muna. Pababayin nyo.
Substitution.
Go! Tres! Oh!
One minute 42 seconds.
Yes!
Number 19 is out of bounds.
Trabaho! Trabaho! Go!
This guy plus the foul. Number 19.
Shoot sana.
14 penalty.
Number 19, that is your second personal foul penalty. And bonus free throw for number 9, no good.
One more look! Woo!
Get the ball!
Get the ball! Get the ball! Yes!
Bigay, bigay!
Bigay! Go! One more! Ah! Yo! Woo!
Substitution right.
Habol kayo guys!
Get one, get one.
Get one!
Last 40 seconds.
Nice one!
Ah, isa pa. David, isa pa.
One more, one more. Get the ball!
Baba tayo, baba.
Go! Yes. Sino yun?
Sige, sige.
Penalty.
Sino penalty?
Tayo, shoot. Ano tayo? Silang buhay ako.
Number 10, and that is your second personal foul. Penalty.
Get one.
Pasok.
Pasok!
First line, line out.
O, isa lang, isa.
Jump ball.
Kaya by JX Vigo. Single.
27 seconds. Nice look, nice.
Ay! Lumabas. One more.
Pasok mo.
Ay! Ah!
Number 11, that is your second personal foul. Penalty.
17 seconds, game one.
Ano pa? May isa pang quarter, di ba?
Number 10.
Yes! Woo!
8 seconds.
Get the ball! Walang sundot! Kahit na, easy lang sa kanya eh.
Hindi mo makakasa, hindi mo lakad. Mukhang out.
Okay, we are ready for the fourth and final quarter. Dito naman kakaalala ko. Buena seconds pass.
Ay, naku!
With Avila, strong leg in and out. Finding his feet with the
Ow! Yes!
and he has a foul. 2 shots. Number 30, Lucky Foul.
Justin! Relax, Justin!
First team foul. Third team
Justin!
foul for Buendia, number 30.
Nice.
Woo! Nice, Justin! One more! Isa pa!
First line for Laksan, baba sa single digit ang kalamangan ng
Number one, oh.
Yes! Go! Get the ball! Ball! Baba!
Yan, open.
Yes! Go! Yes! Ah!
Defense! 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 Woo!
Nasa likod!
Sub.
Nasa likod ng kalaban mo!
Go, Adelaide! Ay!
Another turnover para sa mga Hawaii. Balik ang bola sa Hawaii.
Let's go! Let's go! 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 Defense! 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 Oy!
Number 11. First strike for Philippines.
Woo!
Basket sa po tayo.
Abak tayo, back!
Back up!
Sa
Push! 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 Ay!
Yan, yan yung back!
Ay! Go! Defense! 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 Defense!
Defense!
Defense! Defense! Defense! Defense! Defense! Wala, wala, ya! Ya! Ay, naku, 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 naku! Ay! Woo! Yan na! Apple!
Wah, bawi, bawi!
Bawi! Bawi! Ah! Ya!
Wah!
Ah! Ah!
Eh, doon!
big foul.
Get one. Sige. One. Oh! Lumabas talaga.
Ito na! Uli!
Huli! Huli!
Oh, big ball! Nice! Nice!
Go! Ball! 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 Ball!
14 seconds to shoot.
Go!
Defense!
Defense! Defense!
Uli!
Huli! Go! Oh!
Ay,
Hoy! Offensive! Woo! Dala, diretsa! Go! Go! Ay! Shot! Pasok! Wow!
Uli!
Huli!
Eh, down, bigay!
Brother!
A 5-point lead by Team RTM Kahaba.
Wala, 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 wala. Kuha, kuha, kuha.
There is a foul. Number 4.
That's...
Number 4, that is your third personal foul, Cruz.
Wala, wala, guys.
13 foul for the team in the
Eh, daanin nila sa tres. Dapat.
58.
Go, Aiken. Bakit? Ang bola ha. Yes. Pasok! Bakit na naman? Okay. Ah! Bawi, bawi. Na bola! Go!
Buena Bella is your fourth personal foul. Penalty.
Shoot! Shoot! Tulal.
First try, miss.
Okay, kunin mo isa.
Relax, relax!
Marco.
One. Woo! Get the ball! Get the ball! Get the ball! Huli.
Pressure.
Pressure! Wag dyan pa. Ay! Yes. Wag. Oh, wala. Sino?
On the clock, 5 minutes and 15 seconds.
Wala. Oo.
Our next sport team.
Sige, kaya yan! Abol! Tres. Ah! Walang sundot! Wala! Ay! Bata! Go, Justin! Tres. Sige, tres. Tres. Ay! Wala na. Sige, pababain niyo lang.
Out of bounds.
4 minutes.
Boss!